I have been asked for years to share an ancient Assyrian prayer with people. When you wake up in the morning, what do you do? It really matters what is the first thing you do once you gain consciousness. Is to pray. The best thing is to clock in your night and start your day with a blessed prayer that is water to unite you with the spiritual divine justice of the universe. These said words, Ya Maria Thukhlan Khatara Drachme. Ja Maria, Creator, Allah, open us a door of easygoingness, mercy, blessings, a door of blessings. So you say it 7 times, not 6, not 8, and each time you do this. Here we go. Ya Maria Thukhlan Khatara Drachme. 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 Ya Maria Thukhlan Khatara Drachme.